to day 15 of the 30-day data science challenge that I'm doing for SQL, and we're going to go over set operations in SQL. So this is basically a powerful way to combine query results in SQL. Mastering set operations will significantly increase and enhance your ability to work with complex data sets. So we'll go over what are set operations, types of set operations, union all, intersect, except, examples of set operations, practice exercise, and summary. So what are set operations? They allow you to combine results from two or more select statements. These operations treat query results as sets and perform operations like union, intersection, and difference. All queries involved in a set operation must have the same number of columns. The columns must have compatible data types. Column order matters. So we have types of set operations. We have union. It combines the results of two queries and removes duplicate rows. So syntax is select column 1, column 2 from table 1, have a union, and you see this in statistics as well. You can have union intersection, and it's basically selecting column 1, column 2 from table. Then you have union all. It combines the results of two queries but includes duplicates. The one above for union doesn't include duplicates, and this one has everything in it. There's intersection, returns rows that are common to both queries, so it could be kind of similar to an inner join concept. So as intersect, then we have except or minus in some systems. So it returns rows from the first query that are not present in the second query. And there's the except there. Then we have examples of these. So combine employees from two different departments. You have select name from department A, union, select name from department B. This is a result. Then we have union all, combine employees but include duplicate names. And then this one's using all. I don't see Alice is there twice. And this one, they're only there once. So you can notice there is a difference here. An intersection just includes employees in both departments. So Alice in both departments and they're there. Then we have except. So this is basically finding employees in department A but not in department B. So in department A, we had, I think Alice, Bob, and Carol. And I guess they were not in department B. So can't really see where the initial table is, but I guess that's what's coming out of this. And then there's some practice exercises. So there's these two orders. Find all the unique customers who placed orders in either year. Find the customers who placed orders in both these years. Retrieve products listed in products 2023 but not in products 24. Combine two sales tables, include duplicate entries. Write a query to find employees who work in two specific projects using intersect. And then we learned about four types of set operations: union all, intersect, and except. How to use set operations to combine results. Practical scenarios where set operations can simplify complex queries. Then we'll go into string functions, which is an exciting topic to manipulate and analyze text data. And that's what we're going to go into next. So let's go over these string functions. So we'll go over these functions, which are powerful tools for manipulating and processing textual data. So there's an introduction to string functions, commonly used string functions, upper and lower, length, trim, concat, substring, replace. I don't know what INSTR is, but then advanced string functions, left and right, LPAD and RPAD, reverse, and examples, exercise, and summary. So intro to string functions. These are used to manipulate or retrieve information from string data, whether you're cleaning up messy data, extracting meaningful parts or text, or formatting strings for reporting. SQL string functions are indispensable. So commonly used string functions, upper and lower, converts text to uppercase and lowercase. Select upper hello as uppercase, lower world as lowercase, and we have this result. Length, character length finds the length of a string, so select length hello world as length. It's giving us 11. Remove leading or trailing spaces or specified characters, so you select the trim, have hello as trimmed, and you have this result. And then you have substring, extracts a portion of the string. So let's select substring of hello world from 1 to 5 as substring, so it's just the first 5 letters, it looks like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like there's no index of 0, so just pick the first 5 there. Concatenate combines multiple strings into one. Select concat with this as concatenated, so it's basically combining the two, and this is the spaces in between. Replace, it basically replaces occurrences of a substring with another. Select replace basically gets hello world and it replaced the world with SQL over here. In INSTR finds the position of a substring within a string. So it's saying select this hello world and find out where world is. So it's at position 7, it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the space, and then 7. Advanced string functions, we have left and right, so you extract a specified number of characters from the start or end of a string. You have select left, hello world, 5 is left part, right, hello world, 5 is the right part, and then you get this printed output. Then we have pad a string to a certain length with a specified character. Select lpad for this, SQL 5 star, and then as lpad, and then rpad is SQL 5 star as right pad. The difference is just where the stars are for left pad and right pad. and it's just padding it. Okay, reverse, we have reverse the order of characters in a string, so it's going to make it LQS. Notice how you have select the command, what you're trying to do it in quotations, and then as, and then what it's called, and then it prints that out. And there's some examples. So you have a user table listed here with ID and username. You want to clean up the white space and convert the usernames to lowercase, so you select ID, which is from here, trim and put the lower command on the username, and then get that as clean username from the table, which is user. So now everything is lowercase and it's gotten rid of the white space. Extracting data from domain from email, so you have a contacts table, which is listed here. You extract the domain, which is selecting ID substring from the email, and then it's basically trying to take away the at, and then I don't know what the +1 is, but it's asking that for a domain from the contacts table. So now it just says example.com and sqlchallenge.com. I got rid of the at in the person's name. And there's some exercises. So write a query to convert all names in the customer table to uppercase, extract the first three characters of a product code column from a products table, write a query to replace all spaces in an address column with underscores, find the position of the first occurrence of at in an email column, reverse the text in a comments column, and then basically we went over common advanced string functions like upper, trim, substring, and reverse, practical applications for cleaning and manipulating textual data, examples and exercises to solidify understanding, and then we'll move on to date and time functions in the next lesson. So stay tuned and thanks for listening.